G'day John, Shane here from Wayne Phillips Ford. Just with a quick video of the FPV GT-P that you've inquired on. I just thought I'd give you a quick in and out. Just show you the condition of the vehicle overall, mate. Great tyres front and rear, all the way around. Very well presented, as you can see there. Duco outside is near immaculate, mate. Bit of a shadow, so I'll come around the other side. One owner, full history car. It is a really fine example of the original GT-P. Sensors along the back there, quad pipe. Come with the roof. You can see there, down both sides, very straight, very clean. No car park dents or anything like that whatsoever. And inside is very much the same, John. Back seat, barely looks ever sat in. Unmarked, unworn, and completely untorn. Rear vents in the back there. Both driver, passenger sides are near mint condition inside, material wise. The only thing you could really pick, John, is there's a very slight scuff line along that bottom leather door. I guess sort of trim there, just from shoes, I guess, coming in and out. But you can see there, driver's seat, again, unmarked, unworn, untorn. There's no sort of flex marks or any sort of bend marks in the leather. No crease lines. Coming over to the passenger seat, again, exactly the same. So I'll just hop in. So the FPV, 78,491 kilometers on the clock. Cruise control on the right hand side, audio controls on the left. Does have the adjustable pedal as well, so that'll actually bring the pedal. I'll see if I can capture it for you. Bring the pedal out closer. Or take the pedal further away, depending on how long your legs are. Next service due at 90,000 kilometers, so we have done the last service. And you've got the screen at the top, reverse camera, automated, and you do have also the option of going a sonar sensor. So that'll also cover your parking sensors in the area of where you are. So you can alternate between the two. Dual zone climate control in the ICC unit underneath. The left and right temperatures can be two different temperatures as you go. The car number is build 108 with your engine start button there. Sorry, auxiliary input and your 12 volt power source. It's a 6-speed, so you've got standard park, reverse, neutral drive. And then you've got your sequential shift there as well. Gear up and down as you need. Cup holders. And just to give you a shot of the book, so the compendium is there. I do apologise. I'll just actually, I might just pop around and show you from the other side. Probably a bit easier. So it's an April 2011 build. April 11 complied. So the compendium gives you the introduction, gives you a lot of the extras of just advertising, merch and all that sort of thing. But what you're after is there. So certificate of authenticity 335, build number 0108. Signed. Got the original FPV service book cover, and you've got your FPV service book. So you've got the selling dealer, original owner information, and then you've got, sorry it's a bit hard to do one-handed, you've got all the service history there as well. Alright, so next one due at 90. We've done the last one and you're all good to go. So, any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, John. I will give you a call directly once I've sent the video, and hopefully we'll be able to secure a fantastic deal for you tonight. Now, I will just quickly lift the bonnet for you. I have a praying mantis on the bonnet. So, there you go, Boss 335. Signed personally by Mark Winterbottom in December. We had a visit from him, and he actually took a bit of a fancy to this car. So, you see there, very clean and very quiet. Now, I'm not sure whether the sound is going to come through, but I will try and capture the back end. That's definitely a nice crackle there as well. Any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. But as I say, John, I will give you a call directly and we'll have a chat. Thank you very much. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.